Rising from the sands just outside Cairo, Egypt, the Pyramids of Giza are the last surviving of the seven wonders of the ancient world. Built more than 4,500 years ago, these enormous stone structures were created as royal tombs for the pharaohs, and they continue to inspire awe, admiration, and mystery. The Giza complex includes 3 major pyramids and several smaller ones. Beyond the 3 iconic giants, the Giza complex also houses several smaller pyramids known as satellite or Queen's pyramids. These lesser-known structures pose their own set of mysteries and intrigue. Situated adjacent to the main pyramids, these smaller edifices were likely constructed for the queens and other members of the royal family. Despite their smaller size, they were built with the same meticulous care and precision as their larger counterparts. The exact purpose of these satellite pyramids remains a topic of debate among historians. Some theories suggest they served as tombs, while others propose they were symbolic structures representing the pharaoh's divine family. As we delve deeper into the Giza complex, these satellite pyramids remind us that the mysteries of ancient Egypt are far from fully unraveled. Remember to like and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the wonders of the ancient world. The Great Pyramid of Khufu, also known as Cheops, built around 2580 to 2560 BCE, the oldest and largest of the 3. Originally 146.6 meters or 481 feet tall, now about 138.8 meters, or 455 feet due to erosion. Made of over 2.3 million limestone blocks, each weighing 2 to 15 tons. Took an estimated 20 to 30 years to complete. The Pyramid of Khafre, also known as Chephren, was built by Khufu's son. Though slightly smaller than his father's pyramid, it appears taller due to its higher ground. This pyramid is closely associated with the Great Sphinx, which sits nearby. The Pyramid of Menkora is the smallest of the 3 main pyramids at Giza. However, it still stands at an impressive 65 meters, or 213 feet, tall. This pyramid was finished around 2510 BCE. Together, these pyramids formed a massive royal necropolis, intended to preserve the pharaoh's bodies and souls for eternity. The construction of the pyramids remains a subject of study and debate, but here's what scholars generally believe. Skilled laborers, not slaves, built the pyramids. These workers were well-fed, organized, and lived in nearby worker villages. Ramps, levers, and manpower were likely used to move and position the stones. Advanced knowledge of geometry, astronomy, and engineering was required. The Great Pyramid was aligned almost perfectly with true north, showing a deep understanding of the stars. Fun fact, the base of the Great Pyramid covers an area of 13 acres and each side is roughly 230 meters or 755 feet long. The pyramids served as tombs for pharaohs who were considered divine rulers. According to ancient Egyptian belief, after death the pharaoh's ka, or spirit, needed a safe place to rest. Burial inside a pyramid helped ensure a pharaoh's passage to the afterlife. Each pyramid was part of a larger funerary complex that included temples, causeways, and smaller tombs for nobles and family. Near the Pyramid of Khafre lies the mysterious Great Sphinx, a colossal statue with the body of a lion and the head of a pharaoh, likely Khafre. Carved from a single block of limestone, it measures about 73 meters long and 20 meters high. Its exact purpose and age are still debated. The Sphinx is one of the oldest and most iconic sculptures in the world. Despite wars, weather, and looting, the pyramids have stood for over 4 millennia. They were originally covered with smooth white casing stones that reflected sunlight, giving them a brilliant appearance. Most of those stones were removed over the centuries for other construction projects. The pyramids have influenced architecture, culture, religion, and art ever since. Located on the Giza Plateau just outside modern Cairo, recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1979. visited by millions of tourists each year, studied by archaeologists and scientists from around the world using advanced technology, like drones and infrared scanning, to uncover new secrets. Aliens didn't build the pyramids, they were built by real people using ingenious methods. They're not hollow or filled with traps, but they do contain passageways, chambers, and hidden shafts. They continue to reveal new findings, including voids, tunnels, and burial objects. The pyramids at Giza are more than ancient tombs. They are symbols of human achievement, testaments to ancient knowledge, and enduring legacies of a civilization that shaped the world. They remind us that even thousands of years ago, people were capable of building things that would stand the test of time, with nothing but stone, labor, and vision.